I went scrapbooking with a friend today. Yeah, that was really nice. I made a layout and I drew something with pencil and watercolors. And only 2 more weeks to go, and then we're gonna go on a scrap weekend together. So we're really excited. It's my first scrap weekend. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I don't know how it will be. Let's see about that. It's also a bit scary, but at least we're together, so we know each other. But it will be fine. I know it will. So yeah, a little update about today. Actually, I will try and make a picture of yesterday's layout. Today's layout I already took a picture of, but I will upload that tomorrow or Sunday, because today I have to share another layout, I have another layout to share. I don't have to share it, I have another layout to share. So that's it actually. Today I'm not gonna do much more. Just have dinner, and I think I will go dancing tonight. So no more scrapping, just some relaxed time. Other relaxed time. Scrapbooking is also relaxed time, but something else. Oh, and tomorrow I get a package, but I can't show you yet. Yeah, sorry. I'm future Milou. I didn't film a talking ending about what I did yesterday, so I thought let's do it today. Yesterday was Saturday and I went, well, first of all I finished my layout for my live video. It already was finished, I just needed to write my journaling, so that's what I did. Then I put it down, took a photo of it. That was the part of the papers lying on the floor. And I know I have to vacuum. I know, I'm sorry. After that I went to the city and it was beautiful weather, just as like today. And I went to Bagels and Beans and sat on the terrace with my iced coffee and I drew something for a future project. Stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when it will be. Probably in a couple of weeks, but yeah. So yeah, it was really nice and I hope you enjoyed watching it. So see you tomorrow or today.